Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install BandLab on iPhone. If you're into music creation, recording or beat making, BandLab is one of the best free apps you can use on your iPhone. It works like a mobile full music studio, allowing you to record vocals, create beats, mix tracks, and even collaborate with other artists worldwide. And the app is free to download and offers powerful tools like virtual instrument, auto-tune, and cloud storage for your project. So installing BandLab on your iPhone is simple and only takes a few minutes. First, unlock your iPhone and open to your App Store on your device. And once you get into this interface of your App Store, on the bottom we can find there's a search bar. Tap on the search bar and type down BandLab and search for it. And over here we can find to this BandLab Music Making Studio. Click on there and you need to select to this small download icon. Prompt it, you can also confirm using your Face ID, Touch ID or your Apple ID password. The app will begin downloading and installing automatically. And that is it. Downloading and installing BandLab on iPhone is quick and beginner friendly with just a few taps. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.